My favorite aspect of this workshop was how hands-on it was. It was really awesome to be able to actually feel the pen, how light it was, and to actually do the procedures on people.
I'm really glad I am here at the workshop because it enhanced my education today. And also, I'm also more aware that, especially over the bony area, to just be gentle and let the pen do its work.
What I love about the workshop was the hands-on training to learn how to perfect your technique to perform this effective procedure. It's very helpful.
I think the main thing that I liked about the workshop was not only being involved hands-on, but learning all of the new technologies and what it has to offer.
What I liked about this workshop was we got a chance to sample the product. And I'm really happy because this is my first time trying a MDPen. So I'm looking forward to seeing the results.
I would definitely recommend this workshop. It is very educational, informative, and you will get a lot out of it.
I would absolutely recommend this workshop. I think it's great. It's very well presented, the knowledge is great, and there is a need for it.
So I would definitely recommend this workshop to others. It's so hands-on and you get to actually experience how it is. It's really awesome. I loved it. You should do it.